Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound in Realme Note 50 device. For this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and first of all, let me check shutter sound. So yes, the shutter sound is enabled. And if you want to disable it, all you guys have to do just go to settings. After that, on the third of the journal, we have option of shutter sound. So just turn it off. After that, now let's see. So that the sound is now disabled, and if you want to enable it, all you guys have to do again turn it on so that we have shutter sound while capturing the picture. So this is how we can enable or disable shutter sound in Realme Note 50 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.